Did you know that doing squats without a clear goal can be a mistake? If you don't know how many squats you need to do per day to build muscle, stop right now. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the ideal amount to get the results you need. Squats are one of the most complete exercises out there. They not only work your legs but also strengthen your core, improve your posture, and increase your endurance. For those looking to gain muscle mass, understanding the right amount of daily squats can make all the difference. It's not just about doing a random number of repetitions, but following a strategy that maximizes benefits and minimizes the risk of injury. In this video, we'll reveal a step-by-step guide on how many squats you need to do per day to build muscle efficiently. We'll cover the correct technique, the benefits of including squats in your routine, and how you can adjust the number of repetitions and sets according to your fitness level. So, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and find out now how many squats you need to do to build muscle. To build muscle with squats, it's essential to follow a clear and efficient structure. The general recommendation is to perform between 3 to 5 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions each. This range is ideal for promoting muscle hypertrophy or muscle mass increase. For beginners, starting with 3 sets of 8 repetitions can be sufficient, gradually increasing as strength and endurance improve. For more advanced individuals, 5 sets of 12 repetitions offer a greater challenge and adequate stimuli for muscle growth. Additionally, it's crucial to incorporate load progression, increasing the weight used as it becomes easier to complete the sets, ensuring that the muscles continue to be challenged and grow. To grow muscles even more, it's necessary to follow a training and nutrition plan. With that in mind, I just created the Strong Body Plan for subscribers here on the channel. If you want to discover what I eat and which exercises I do, click right now on the link in the first pinned comment. In this plan, you will have access to demonstrative videos of all the exercises for my workouts for all the muscles in your body. Check out the plan when this video ends. One of the main benefits of squats is muscle hypertrophy. This exercise is extremely effective in increasing leg muscle mass, including quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. When performed with the correct technique and appropriate intensity, squats promote microtears and muscle fibers, which, during recovery, result in stronger and bulkier muscles. This not only improves physical appearance, but also increases strength and functional capacity, facilitating daily activities like climbing stairs, carrying heavy objects, and even improving performance in other sports. Besides the legs, squats are excellent for core engagement. Maintaining proper posture during the exercise requires constant contraction of the abdominal and lower back muscles, strengthening this crucial region of the body. A strengthened core improves stability and balance, reduces the risk of back injuries, and enhances posture. This means that in addition to sculpting strong legs, you are also working towards a firmer abdomen and a protected spine, contributing to a healthier and more resilient body. Another significant benefit of squats is increased metabolism. Compound exercises like squats, which involve multiple muscle groups, are known to elevate the basal metabolic rate. This means your body burns more calories even at rest. Incorporating squats into your workout routine can help with fat loss and maintaining a healthy weight, as well as improving the efficiency with which your body uses energy, thus benefiting long-term weight control. Squats also contribute to cardiovascular health. When performed at high intensity or with little rest between sets, they elevate heart rate, providing an effective cardiovascular workout. This improves cardiac and lung capacity, increasing overall endurance and reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, a stronger cardiovascular system improves blood circulation, ensuring nutrients and oxygen are delivered more efficiently to muscles and organs, promoting overall health. Regular squatting also promotes flexibility and mobility. The range of motion required to perform deep squats helps stretch and strengthen the muscles and tendons of the legs, hips, and back. This increases joint flexibility and functional mobility, preventing injuries and improving performance in other physical activities. A more flexible and mobile body is less susceptible to aches and strains, contributing to an active and healthy lifestyle. Squats are beneficial for bone health too. This resistance exercise stimulates bone mass formation, strengthening bones, and helping to prevent conditions like osteoporosis. When you carry weight in squats, you place a load on the bones of your legs and spine, promoting bone density. This is especially important as we age since bone density tends to decrease with age. Keeping bones strong through exercises like squats can improve quality of life and prolong the ability to move freely. Last but not least, squats can improve mental health. Regular physical exercise, including squats, releases endorphins, which are hormones associated with well-being and stress reduction. Additionally, the sense of achievement from seeing improvements in strength and physical form can boost self-esteem and confidence. Incorporating squats into your routine not only transforms your body, but also contributes to a more balanced and positive mental state, helping you face daily challenges with more energy and optimism. The correct technique for performing squats is essential to ensure the effectiveness of the exercise and prevent injuries. Start by positioning your feet shoulder-width apart, with your toes slightly pointed out. Keep your chest lifted and core engaged. Initiate the movement by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you were sitting on an invisible chair. Lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as close as you can get, keeping the weight on your heels. Your knees should be aligned with your feet, not going past them. Rise back to the starting position by pushing through your heels and contracting your glutes. Remember to maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Doing squats regularly is excellent for building muscles, but without proper nutrition, results may be limited. Nutrition provides the necessary nutrients for muscle recovery and growth. Consuming a diet rich in proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential. Proteins are the building blocks of muscles and can be found in lean meats, eggs, legumes, and dairy products. Complex carbohydrates, such as sweet potatoes and brown rice, provide the energy needed for intense training. Healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, help with vitamin absorption and hormone production. With a balanced diet, the results of squats will be enhanced. In addition to a balanced diet, supplementation can be a powerful ally in maximizing the results of squats. Supplements like whey protein provide a quick and convenient source of protein to aid post-workout muscle recovery. Creatine is another popular supplement that can increase strength and performance, allowing for more intense and effective workouts. BCAAs help reduce muscle fatigue and speed up recovery. However, it's important to remember that supplements should complement, not replace, a healthy diet. Consult a nutritionist before starting any supplementation regime to ensure it is appropriate for your individual needs. To maximize the benefits of squats, it's important to include other types of exercises in your routine. Strength exercises like deadlifts and leg presses help work different muscle groups in the legs and complement the gains obtained from squats. Cardiovascular exercises like running and cycling improve endurance and cardiovascular health, which is crucial for supporting more intense workouts. Combining strength and cardiovascular exercises not only enhances the results of squats, but also promotes a more balanced and healthy body. If you're just starting to do squats, here are some tips to help you. First, start with body weight to master the correct technique. As you gain confidence, add light weights and increase gradually. Do dynamic warm-ups before the workout and stretches after to prevent injuries. Don't worry about going too low at first. Go as far as you feel comfortable and increase the range gradually. Remember to listen to your body and respect your limits. Even as a beginner, you can achieve great changes by following these guidelines and staying consistent. This video provides general guidelines on squats and how to maximize their benefits. However, it does not replace professional health advice. Always consult a doctor or a qualified physical educator before starting any new exercise program. Now that you know the ideal number of squats and the incredible benefits they can provide, it's time to take action. Think about how you can incorporate squats into your daily routine. Whether in the morning before starting the day or in the evening as part of your regular workout, the important thing is to make this exercise a habit. With discipline and consistency, you will see significant improvements in your muscle strength, cardiovascular health, and overall well-being. Remember, every squat counts and brings you one step closer to your goals. So don't wait any longer. Start today and transform your body. Remember that if you want to check out my plan to build a strong body, the website is in the first pinned comment in this video. Just access and start doing the same exercises I do for all the muscles in the body today. We'd love to know how you're doing with squats. Share your experiences in the comments below. Tell us how you're incorporating squats into your routine and what results you're already seeing. And if you have suggestions for topics for future videos, leave them in the comments as well. It will be a pleasure to create content especially for you and help even more in your fitness journey. Keep an eye on our channel, as we have many recommended videos for you. Each video is an opportunity to learn more and get motivated to continue pursuing a strong and healthy body. Don't miss the chance to deepen your knowledge and diversify your workouts. Our goal is to be with you at every step of this journey, providing valuable information and practical tips. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like the video and share it with friends and family who can also benefit from these tips. Together, we can create a community of people committed to health and well-being. See you in the next video.